Um, Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm just here because I want to do a code review with you. And this code review is on the virus spreader. So basically, I'm trying to get the picture on the screen so you can see the screen. But just to let you know, I didn't make this. I'm not clever enough. I got it from a YouTube video simulating COVID-19 using Python, NumPy, and Matplotlib. And I ran this video up on Replit because it won't work on Google Colab, which is the interpreter that I normally use. But I did manage to get it to run on Replit, so you're seeing it running on Replit. And I wanted to do a code review on this just so you can see it, because I think that on the video I got it from, they didn't really show you what it looks like on the screen, so you can see what it looks like on the screen. So the first thing you do is you use NumPy and Matplotlib to run up this program, which is good because one thing that I've noticed working with Replit is some of the libraries that they have aren't very good. I'd like to find perhaps another online interpreter that will work better with Replit, but so far I haven't found one. So if any of my viewers want to let me know if they've got an online interpreter that will work, then please let me know. But the good thing about Replit is it has a lot of programs, languages on it, like it has Python, and I'm going to start practicing on another programming language called Julia at some point. Not right now, but at some point I'm going to start studying Julia. And so we'll go ahead and start this code review. Is the first thing that you have to do is you have to import your libraries. So you import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and import matplotlib.animation as ANI and import NumPy as NP. And then what you want to do is you want to set the colors up. So it tells you what the colors are: gray, red, green, and black. So you set up the colors. So far, if you're looking at the screen, you can see so far we've had one person die on day 50. And then we're going to set up the COVID parameters, calling it COVID params. So those are your parameters. And now what we're going to do is we're going to have a class called virus. So this is the virus. And then after we have the class called virus, we define the function called init, so that initializes it. We define initial population of 4,500. So you can have a higher population if you want, but that's what they did. They defined the initial population as 4,500. You define the spread virus, which accepts self as an import. So it accepts self and I as an input. And you define 1 by 1, which accepts self, I, status, RS, and color. Then we define chunks. I can't find chunks in there. Yep, here we go. We define chunks. Then we define assigned symptoms. Then we define update status. Then we define update text. Then we define gen. And then we define main, which is the main part of the program. And so the main part of the program calls up the class, and then it animates it and it shows it. So what you see on the screen is the animation, and I thought that was really fantastic. And unfortunately, I'm not clever enough to make an animation like that, but maybe someday if I keep studying, then who knows, maybe I can do it. And then we go if name equals main, then you go to the main. And so you run the program. And so far, as I've been giving this code review, this program's been running for 102 days. And it said, so far you've got one person infected, you had 138 deaths, and I can't see how many other items there are because it's not showing on the screen. It's being really awkward, so it won't show it on the screen. But here we are. Now we've got 0 people are infected on day 108. So I think what that means is that the virus is going to stop. I mean, the program is going to stop when you've got 0 people infected, is what we've got on day 108. So that pretty much completes it for the demonstration of the animation of the virus spreader and the code review. So as I've already said, this isn't my work. I got it from a YouTube video called Simulating COVID-19 using Python, NumPy, and Matplotlib. So you can do a search and find that. And good luck. Good luck in if you wanted to know how a virus spreader works. As you can see here, it stopped on day 108. And if you want to know how to use Matplotlib to animate a program, which I thought was really fantastic, and I've been spending the last 2 days studying animations, but maybe one day I will get to grips with it, who knows. So I would like to thank my subscribers to my channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to making more videos for you in the future.